I am not a registered investment, legal, tax, broker, or dealer. All opinions expressed by me are mine, my own, and how I trade, and my thoughts and my ideas. You need to consult your own professional, you need to do your own due diligence, and you invest your money wisely. Investing has risk. You will see. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. Don't hold me liable. I'm just expressing my own ideas. Do your own due diligence. So here's what I'm watching, March 19th, 2021, and my thoughts. I'm looking at BNJD. What I like about it is there's a lot of volume. There's a nice hammer on the day, and it's been much higher. So maybe there's a bargain at 177. It's been as high as 457. I'm watching PBTS. My thought here is it looks like it's stabilizing, but we'll see. $3.77 has been as high as 9.65. No volume, but that doesn't bother me too much. SNDE, high as 3.7. It's sitting at 152. Nice hammer on the daily. I'm going to be careful, but this is going to be on my watch list. YCBD, this is on my watch list. Like I said, 422, 683. Small day here. Could it come back through? It quite possibly could. So, this is the only four that I'm watching. Good luck, have fun.